Oh god. Let's go. Okay. Down.
You psycho dick.
Oh, shark's there. Oh no! Do you like this car?
Yes.
Do you know what it is?
No.
A Lambo. Lambo Gallardo.
A Lambo dick.
Dude, what the heck?
You don't seem really good at this game.
Really? You sure? Watch this. Okay, so we're gonna keep driving. So we're gonna do water in a sec. Oh shoot, no. Okay, we'll keep doing it. Bam! Oh, I don't know that. Actually, me, fix that. Okay, so let's go. So, okay.
Hey, I want to see.
I'm making a video, dude. Stop. So, we're just gonna keep driving till, yes, instead of gonna reset that, but I want to drive again and I crashed again really bad. It's a Lambo, actually.
Are you gonna put that on YouTube?
Oh. Dude, that's so fucking rude. Of course.
Okay. I'm in with you.
Yeah. So, my partner right here, Quan Lee, like, aka Quan Lee.
Hey.
From
I'm not from Mortal Kombat.
Totally is.
I'm
Bye.